I'm a master's student at the LMU. I'm studying biology and currently I'm conducting my master thesis in the field of innate immunology. So we are interested in our immune system, and we are specifically investigating how our body defends specifically viruses and bacteria. But to break it down and make it a bit simple, I'm going to tell you the story about the sneaky little ninja today. The sneaky little ninja is very, very small. We cannot see it with our eyes, and it's super tricky. It can attack our body without our notice. And it is everywhere. It's everywhere in our surrounding. It's in the air, it's on door handles, it's just everywhere, and it is always ready to attack us. Once it attacks us, it settles in our cells. It feels like home there for the ninja. I mean, it's warm there, it's cozy there, and our body feeds it. I mean, who doesn't like a place that's warm and it has free food, right? But, well, our body doesn't really like it. We turn sick. We are suffering, we have pain, and in the worst case, it can even lead to death. That's why nature developed a weapon against the sneaky little ninja. It's called the suggesting defense. This weapon constantly screens our cells if there's any danger for us. And most of the time, this weapon is successful, and it can find a ninja. But what's happening once it finds a ninja? Lots of signaling starts. Looks pretty confusing, huh? So that's why I will explain it in a bit more simple way. We have this scenario. We have a passenger in the street which spots the little ninja. And it instantly recognizes, wow, we have a problem here. So it calls the emergency center to get some help. The emergency center then calls the police and sends the little police officers to catch and arrest the little ninja. Wow, but it's good. So the danger is away. But in our cell, we don't have little people, right? But we have molecules, and we have a lot of them. We have them in different sizes and different shapes, and all of them have different functions. And they look like similar as in this scenario I told before. So we have our passenger molecule, which is there to specifically recognize ninjas in our cells. Once this passenger molecule recognizes the ninja, it signals to the emergency center molecule, well, I found ninjas, we have a problem. This emergency center molecule is just there to spread the message. And it collects all these little police officer molecules to fight the little ninja, and this works in the way that we turn sick. We get fever, pain, just any way to make it really uncomfortable for the ninja in order to make it leave. But well, how do these molecules communicate with each other? I mean, they are just molecules, right? That's where our research takes place. I name it the ubiquitin call. Ubiquitin is another small molecule in our cell, and we have pretty much of them. It's everywhere. And today I show it as Lego bricks. Once the first molecule sends the little ninja, it builds up a chain of Lego bricks until it reaches the emergency protein to tell it, well, we have a problem. The emergency protein then builds up a chain of blue Lego bricks to collect the police officer molecules around it in order to tell them that they have to defend our body. Well, but how does the next molecule know what the specific message is? The message is defined in the color and in the size of the Lego bricks. So here the red medium-sized Lego bricks mean that there are ninjas in our cells and our body has to do something. And then the next molecule builds up blue Lego bricks, and the specific message of the blue Lego bricks is, well, police officer molecules, come and help us. But why do we do research on this when it sounds that easy? Well, it's not only red and blue, right? We have pretty much of it. And what we are doing is we are looking on the specific molecules which defend our bodies against the ninjas, and we are looking which size and color they are using to communicate with each other. Thank you for your attention.